In this session, I am going to explain the extracting the metals in the middle of the activity series. These metals usually present in sulfide or carbonate form. For example, zinc sulfide, it is the sulfide form of the zinc. Zinc carbonate, it is the carbonate form of the zinc. We have to obtain the zinc from these minerals. This is the picture of zinc sulfide. This is the picture of zinc carbonate. We have to extract the zinc from this sulfide form and carbonate form. For that, we are using certain methods. To obtain the zinc from the sulfide form, we use the method called the what? Roasting. Here, sulfide ore, that means this, are converted into its oxide form, that means zinc sulfide to zinc oxide, by heating strongly in the presence of excess air. That means zinc sulfide react with oxygen and it form zinc oxide. Got it? In the roasting method, we are heating the sulfide ore in the presence of the air, that means in the presence of the oxygen, then we obtain the what? Zinc oxide only. The another method is calcination. This method is used to obtain the zinc from zinc carbonate. Here, carbonate ore are converted into again its oxide form by heating strongly in the limited supply of the air. Here oxygen is absent. The reaction is like this. Zinc carbonate, that means ZnO3, is converted into zinc oxide by heating but in the limited supply of the air. In the both the cases we got what? Zinc oxide. Now we have to convert zinc oxide into zinc. For that process we use the method called reduction. Here metal oxide, that means zinc oxide, are reduced by using a reducing agent like carbon. When zinc oxide react with carbon, a reducing agent, then it reduces the what? Zinc oxide to zinc. Finally I got what? Zinc from the zinc sulfide and zinc carbonate by using the method roasting, calcination and reduction. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for further notification.